Ang hindi ko nakakalimutan kay Chelsea nung bata siya is yung lagi siyang sumasayaw, kumikending, ganyan. Pagka lagi siyang pinapasayaw, sayaw din siya. Tapos makulit yan. Kung saan-saan mo yan makikita, minsan nagsusuot na ng heels. Yung mga sandals doon na may takong, yun lagi yung sinusuot niya. Tas ganun lang siya, masayahin.
I would wait a million lonely hours.
Malambing kasi yan eh. Laging humahalik, gumayakap. Ganun siya lagi. Talagang ano siya, malambing na bata.
Well, si Chelsea, sobrang sweet talaga. Parang ako yun. Laging gusto halik, gusto yakap, cuddle. Yan. Kahit saan yan, kahit saan kami magpunta, yan, laging nakayakap, laging nakahalik. So, super sweet.
May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms.
Si Chelsea parang always naman siyang sweet. Tapos ang pinakagusto kong affection galing sa kanya is pag yung gumagawa siya ng effort to make you happy. Yan.
Well, of course, si Chelsea sobrang sports-minded din, tulad ko. So, nagbabasketball, volleyball, biking ko. Alala ko rin yan, pinag-aral ko rin ng football, soccer. And then, biking, motor.
Yan si Chelsea, naalala ko pa yan kapag minsan tinatakas yung motor. Tinatakas nila yung kotse dati. Tinuturuan naman siya ng ate niya. So, silang dalawa, talagang tandem sila.
I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best, but it gets hard.
Ate will always be here for you through ups and downs. I know I don't say it that much, but I love you.
Sana lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay matupad mo sa tulong ng Panginoon.
Chelsea, on your debut, I wish you all the happiness in the world. You deserve everything beautiful life has to offer. A happy 18th birthday, and I love you so much.
Well, Chelsea, happy birthday, and of course, have a blast. Dalaga ka na, 18 years old. Ayan, so alam niyo naman yung tama at mali. Ayan, no? Tapon mo yung mali, pulutin mo yung tama. And of course, thank you for being a good child and good daughter. Ganda ng grades mo, manang-mana ka sa mama mo. I love you very much, anak. Enjoy your day. This is for you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Chelsea. 18 ka na. Pwede na kita masama sa bar. meron na ulit dagdag sa bar namin ni Tita La. And I'm so happy na pwede na tayong umalis sa ganito-ganyan na hindi ka na naiiwan na mag-aalaga ng bata. And I hope that you achieve all your dreams at palagi lang nandito si ate para sa'yo. At kahit hindi natin laging sinasabi in words, pero know that I love you and I will always support what dreams you have. Kahit wildest dreams mo yan, ate will always be here to guide and support you. I love you.
Thank you, Mama and Papa and my ate to making this happen, my 18th birthday. Lagi pa rin akong sweet sa inyo kahit na nakakainis ako minsan. I love you, Mama and Papa, and ate, thank you so much.